At one time, the Brooklyn waterfront was full of commercial activity that supported New York as a port city. In the 19th century, the waterfront was lined with warehouses like this one. If you come to DUMBO or Brooklyn Bridge Park, you should see the Empire Stores building. The building was constructed in 1869 with additions by the architect Thomas Stone in 1885 in the Romanesque Revival style. The entire building was used as a warehouse for coffee. The renovation was designed by Studio V Architecture along with S9 Architecture and Perkins Eastman. Completed in 2016, it's part of the Fulton Ferry Historic District. After many attempts to renovate this building since the 1970s, it's now a great example of adaptive reuse and preservation. The warehouse has been adapted into an office building with varied retail on the ground floor. An open-air space cuts into the existing warehouse, providing both the primary entrance from Water Street, or the park, as well as natural light deep into the office space. The public has access to a roof terrace with great views of the lower Manhattan skyline and the Brooklyn Bridge. On your way up to the roof, stop by the Brooklyn Historical Society's exhibit space and gift shop. You can learn even more about the building and the waterfront here. On weekends especially, there's a lot of activity in the park, with people coming for their wedding pictures, picnic, or to ride Jane's Carousel. Getting here is easy by subway or by NYC Ferry along the East River. If you take the trip down from the stop at East 34th Street, you'll pass under the three bridges and get a spectacular view of the city. There's a cafe on the ground floor, BHH Foods, with outdoor seating at the stair, as well as Sansoni's restaurant facing the park on the ground level. A few blocks away you can find Juliana's Pizza on Old Fulton Street, where there's usually a line for the tables. It's worth the wait.